Hello, this is gonna be my video, and I chose the topic about in the your mission part it asks us or it gives us the option to choose between Coca-Cola, Walmart, and Procter and Gamble, and I chose to do it on Walmart because I feel like Walmart's financial analysis would be, I guess, like fun to calculate since Walmart is like a an everyday place that everybody goes to grocery shop or just to shop for maybe school essentials or just other essentials that are part of our everyday lives. So yeah, I just chose to run a financial analysis on Walmart and first started off by first started off by going to Finance Yahoo, and I basically found this. So currently this is Walmart's stock number. It's at 100, was at 100.41, and it's gotten up to 100.51. So the Walmart stock is very I would say it's a very smart move, and if for investors and just for anybody that's looking to get in investing, I feel like Walmart would be a great option. Although I don't know much about it, but that's enough about that. And so th some data that I got was I went to Gemini and I searched up Walmart financial analysis over the years, and this is what I found from it gave me from 2020 to 2025, but I think I'm gonna use 2022 to 2025 or 2023 according to this to yeah. But yeah, from 2023 it's six their annual revenue in 2023 was 611 billion. On 2024, it was 648 billion, and then went up again. And this year, it was 681 billion, or it is. And even though I'm doing from 2023 to 2025, if you look from 2020 to 2025, you can tell that Walmart, it always increases in its revenue. And I think that's just due to, yeah, the growth is driven by several factors. Like it says in Gemini right here, they made they keep making investments on online retail, and like their delivery services and just the marketplace in general. It's a place where like everyone goes, like I said in the beginning, and it's easy for people to access. And I think everyone goes there for any sorts of needs. So that's probably why, or I would say that's why it always rises up in revenue, and it never goes down ever. And I feel like it's gonna keep going up as long as it does what it does and provides what it provides. And furthermore, if we look at the summary for Walmart's final analysis due to or from Gemini that we can see is that yeah, Walmart is not just growing, it's strategically evolving. That's something that I agree with very much because, like I said, with with the place and industry like Walmart, a business like Walmart, it's hard to top that for anyone. So, and they're always going to provide for whatever is needed and for whoever, which is why they will keep going up. And on Collect, I found this typed in this a code, and this is what I got for the total revenues. And you can tell that from 2023, total revenues they go up. The net income also goes up, and the gross margin from 2023 to 2025 went up. But from 2025 and 2024, you can see that they're both 0.24. And for the quick ratio from 2023 to 2025, it went up. And from this chart or graph, you can see that Walmart goes up in revenue a bunch, and then in net income, it goes it kind of goes like in a straight line, but kind of gradually goes up a little bit too. And that has to do with the fact that Walmart is very what is it, successful in what they do. Um, and this was the code that I had ran. You can see the many codes from okay, so from 2023. This is how the data looked like from the net sales all the way down to the capex. Same for 2024, same for 2025. Okay. Uh, see what I'm missing. Let me go back to the session one real quick. But yeah, going back to this Finance Yahoo on Walmart, you can see that the market cap is at 800.554 billion, which is a great deal. Uh, and then a few things I've got to talk about is yeah, the gross profit. So for Walmart, the gross profit, I'm gonna just read off of this, has grown alongside revenue, reaching approximately 169 billion in fiscal year 2025. This indicates that the company has been able to maintain stable gross profit margin, successfully managing its cost of goods sold. Operating net income have also shown a general upward trend, although they can fluctuate due to strategic investments and external factors. Walmart's net income for fiscal year 2025 was around 19.4 billion. Companies focus on operational efficiency and diversified business model. But let's see what I'm forgetting. But yeah, all in all, well, I feel like everyone knows, but just Walmart is was since it started and is and will always be, in my opinion, successful, and the gross profit, the sales revenue, whatever, it would always keep going up due to the fact that, like I said in the beginning and towards the middle, that Walmart, they provide all sorts of services, and you can buy all sorts of things there, not just groceries, but like even little things like toys for kids and like stuff you need for healthcare, and home items and just many stuff. And yeah, it's like a place where a lot of like items are in one. And I feel and people will always need it. People will always run to it when they need stuff. So, and the prices for Walmart, stuff that they sell are pretty cheap too, compared to the main um the main places for them. For an example, like if you see a couch at Walmart, it may be cheaper than the couch that you see on an actual, excuse me, furniture store. And yeah, and so for Walmart, they will financially they will always be on top of the game. They would always be one of the top dogs. And I feel like the number the number for their total revenue would exceed the year in the upcoming year and the many years after that to come. Um, and also something that I want to talk about is the CapEx of Walmart, the capital expenditures, which has also increased significantly amongst other things, from around 10 billion in 2021 to almost 24 billion in 2025, which is a 14 billion increase, which is crazy and bizarre. But I mean, it's Walmart. But yeah. Uh to sum it all up, I probably didn't make sense most of the way, but I hope the codes that I put in, this data, um, and some of the stuff I shared on here and here are useful for your understanding, and I hope that it it also helped me while I was looking through in my understanding of Walmart and just not just Walmart. Like, I know what Walmart is, but like when I dove deep into like their financial analysis and actually saw how well they do over the years, I was kind of shocked and well, not really shocked, but I was impressed. And yeah, go Walmart.